They are worldwide, there's 64 in Germany and 48 in Japan, and they're in South Korea, So it's a forest that's dedicated to therapeutic
Usage.
usage, yeah. So that's what we have here.
A lot of our clients, when they come, were either sensing anxiety or it's stress. They've come to breathe. They've come to reconnect with themselves, and nature is great because as you're reconnecting with nature, you're reconnecting with yourself, you're reconnecting with your ancestral roots. Because let's face it, we all came from a forest of some sorts at some stage. Sometimes our clients will say things like, this is like having a Xanax, and I'm like, ooh, this is a good, this is a good one. So that feeds into the sense of feeling calm, the sense of feeling relaxed.